this video, I'm going to simplify f and z value. If you have not watched the previous video on d value, please go check that out. I will leave a link down in the description because I'm not going to repeat the principles that I have explained in that video. Okay, so if you have watched the video, let's move on with this one. Now, we know how to find out d value. Let's put it on y-axis in another graph. And let's put temperature on the x-axis. So from earlier knowledge, we know that with increase in temperature, bacteria will die fast and lower will be the d value, which is time basically. So now, whenever temperature increases, the d value will decrease. Now, to reduce the d value by 1 log, or we can also say to bring 10-fold reduction, that is in the above case, bringing it down from point A to point B, that is from 10 to 1, the temperature that is required will be its z value. In this case, point A was at 116 degrees Celsius, and to bring it down to point B, the temperature has to be 121 degrees Celsius. This means that 5 degree increase in temperature has to be brought. This 5 degrees Celsius is its z value. And now let us put this concept into a definition. Z value is the number of degrees the temperature has to be increased to achieve a 10-fold, that is 1 log to the base of 10, reduction in the d value. For example, the 10-fold reduction of 100 will mean 100 gets divided by 10 and the answer will be 10. The 10-fold reduction of 50 will mean 50 gets divided by 10 again. So basically, 10-fold reduction means dividing the existing quantity by 10. Also, smaller the z value means greater the sensitivity of microorganisms towards change in temperature. Since bacteria with spores have z value ranging from 10 to 15 degrees Celsius and bacteria without spores have z value ranging from 4 to 6 degrees Celsius. And the z value in the second case is less because the destruction of these microbes is far easier when compared with bacteria with spores. And now let us discuss about f value. F value is the time required to kill a specific population of bacteria at a specific or constant temperature. For example, if we want to kill 1 lakh bacteria of the same type, it requires 1 minute at a given temperature of 121 degrees Celsius to attain commercial sterility. So that 1 minute is the F value of this bacteria and it is denoted by F0. Now you may be wondering what is commercial sterility. Well, commercial sterility means the absence of microorganisms that are capable of growing in the food at normal conditions. So, to recap both the definitions, Z value is the number of degrees the temperature has to be increased to achieve a 10-fold reduction in the D value. And F value is the time required to kill a specific population of bacteria at a specific or constant temperature. If you are not a visual learner and you like reading concepts, you are more of a reader, you grasp the concepts more quickly after reading them, then Vijaya has penned a blog specifically for you, specifically keeping you in mind on D, Z and F value. So make sure you check that out. We will also leave a link down in the description for that blog. Please make sure you visit the website and visit that blog. Leave a like on this video if you loved the content. Subscribe to the channel if you have not already, and I will see you next time. Class dismissed.